How did ancient scholars take lecture notes for better study? Imagine sitting in a classroom over 2,000 years ago, listening to a teacher speak about philosophy or science. How did they remember all those ideas? Well, ancient scholars had some clever ways to take notes that helped them learn better. They didn't just scribble down everything like many students do today. Instead, they used specific tools and methods that made studying easier and more organized. In ancient Greece, students used something called wax tablets. These were small wooden frames coated with a layer of wax. They wrote on the wax with a pointed stick called a stylus. If they made a mistake or wanted to change something, they simply smoothed the wax with the flat end of the stylus and rewrote. This made the notes reusable and quick to update during lectures. These tablets were portable, so students could carry them around and jot down key points as they listened. Later, they might transfer the important parts onto more permanent materials like papyrus scrolls or animal skins, called parchments. These were used for long-term storage and review. Scholars also took notes called reportations during sermons or lectures. These were rough notes that they later expanded into full texts. Sometimes, secretaries or scribes attended the lectures and wrote down what was said. This way, the speaker could focus on delivering ideas, and the notes could be refined afterward. The notes weren't just random scribbles. They were organized carefully, often grouped by themes or ideas. This helped them see how different concepts related to each other, kind of like making an outline. Ancient scholars knew that good notes weren't just about writing everything down. They focused on listening actively and picking out the most important ideas. They used tools that let them practice and revise their notes easily, like the wax tablets. They also organized their notes in a way that made review simpler and more effective. Today, students can learn from these methods by focusing on key points instead of copying everything, using outlines or bullet points, and revising their notes after class. Using digital tools or notebooks that allow easy editing can help keep notes neat and organized. The goal is to make studying more efficient and less overwhelming, just like the ancient scholars did with their clever note-taking tricks.